Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairRelief.com, and today is October 16th, 2014, and this is our bi-weekly massage chair industry update. As far as stock goes, I believe everything is in pretty good stock. The Nada Dreamwave in cream is back ordered until a little later this month. I believe that Osaki and Human Touch and Panasonic and all the other chairs, Infinity, they're all in good stock right now. Yeah, I think you're good to go. Now, as I mentioned before, we're getting close to Christmas now and getting close to the buying season, and that's when stock starts to deplete. And even though the companies are prepared for that time of the year and they stock up for it, there always seems to be a model or a color that is gone pretty quick. So again, if you're thinking about getting a chair, get it sooner than later if you want it for the Christmas holidays. Now, I have, you know what? Inada or Osaki's come out with a new model. It's actually, okay, here's the deal. Osaki and Titan chairs are the same company. So if you've seen Osaki on our website, you're familiar with those chairs like the Dreamer, the Cyber, the 4000, whatever. Those are Osaki chairs, but it's the same company, Titan Chairs, that owns all of those chairs. And we've never really carried Titan because Titan has always traditionally been a lower, kind of a lower cost, lower quality chair that we didn't carry. The margins are very, very small on them, but they're coming out with a couple of new models, and they want them to be carried by just certain exclusive dealers, us being one of them. And the 8300, I think it's called the TI 8300. And I don't know much about it. I believe it's zero gravity. It's got foot rollers, and it's got an extended roller track down into the butt. But that's about all I know. And then there's another model coming out that I'm not supposed to mention at this just yet because it's not here and they're not finalized on it. But there'll be a couple of Titan models, and we're going to be adding the Titan line onto our website. Titan and Osaki, basically the same company, two different styles of chairs, different grades of chairs. Again, typically the Titans are lower cost chair, maybe a little bit lower grade component, but they're all made in the same factory, and they're and kind of designed and engineered the same. So keep an eye open for that. The TI 8300 should be up on our website soon, and then I'll announce the other one when it comes out. And that should be maybe another couple of weeks. I know they want to have everything out before the Christmas shopping rush, and so I think we'll be seeing that model out soon. And speaking of Osaki, excuse me, they are clearing out their Marquee and Intelligent models. Now, if you remember, the Intelligent is the chair that looks like a regular recliner, and it has arm massages that pop up out of the armrests, and then they go back down when you're done. But you put your arms in there, and it has an ottoman that's a rotating ottoman to massage your feet and calves. But when you only halfway rotate it, so the flat part of the ottoman is facing up, there's a linen cloth covering the rollers underneath that, and so you can actually massage your calves with this chair. Now, the chair itself is a 3D chair. This is the Intelligent. It's a 3D chair, so you can adjust the intensity of the rollers. And I remember sitting on that chair. I don't have it in my showroom, but I remember sitting on it when I was at the showroom in Osaki showroom last year, visiting them in Texas. And that chair was a very vigorous chair, and it's a nice chair. It's a nice looking chair. It looks like a regular recliner with arm airbags that are hidden in the armrest, completely hidden, like not hidden like you would see on a Dreamwave or a Dreamer or a Cyber, where there's the armrest, and then inside the side of the armrest you'll see the airbags or air cells. But it's actually like a pop-up thing where you put your arms in. When you're done, you take your arms out and push them back down into the armrest. It's completely obscured by the armrest. But anyways, that chair and the Marquee, which it kind of has a similar look and styling to the Osaki the Osaki 7075R. And I don't know if I think it's made in the same plant as the 7075R, so it's a little different manufacturer. But anyways, those two chairs, they are clearing out because for the holidays, they're going to be bringing in a whole bunch of Dreamers and Cybers and 4000s, which are their most popular selling models, and they want to clear space. So we can sell those chairs for a very, very low. Well, when I say very, very low, I mean by relative standards to what price breaks are for massage chairs. I mean, on the website, I believe there's $1,000 instant savings for the Intelligent, and I think a $700 instant savings for the Marquee. Well, call me at 888-259-5380. The phone number's here. call me and I can tell you what kind of prices we can get for those chairs, and it'll save you quite a bit of money, in addition to the $1,000 off and the $700 off. So let me know. Call now while these chairs are still in stock. They're clearing out their inventory. I don't know if they're really. I don't think they're going to actually cancel the lines. They bought. I think when they first imported all these chairs, and remember last year they brought in the Cyber, the Dreamer, the Marquee, the Intelligent, the OS 3000, the OS 2000. All these chairs, and I think they kind of bought equal parts of everything. And not everything sells the same as others. And I know the Dreamer and the Cyber and the 4000 are very popular models, and maybe the Intelligent and the Marquee and the other 3000, 2000 aren't as popular. So they want to clear out their inventory, so they don't have excess of chairs that they're not going to be selling. So if that makes any sense, I hope I've made some sense of that. But call me, and I'll get you some very, very good pricing on those two models, the Marquee and the Intelligent. It'll knock your socks off is what it'll do. Okay, so we talked about that. I've got a used. Well, I think I sold the black Inada Dreamwave chair. I've got a cream one coming back. A cream Dream. I sell a lot of Dreamwave. Dreamwave is like our most popular selling model, and so with increased sales of a chair, we have more relative returns. And so right now, I just happen to have two. Well, the black Dreamwave, I think that one might be sold, but call if you're curious to know about it. Both of them are about a month old. Both of them, one's cream, one's black. Both of them are going for $77.99, and they both have the extended warranty, the 5-year extended warranty. So the retail price on both those chairs is close to $9,000. Well, we're selling them for $77.99, and you won't find the chair for that price even without the extended warranty. Just regular chair without extended warranty, you won't find them for that price. And these are 1 month old. The warranty's all intact. And I should mention, let's say you go online and you're looking for a used chair. It's important for you to understand that warranties are not transferable on used chairs, except if it's sold as a return chair through an authorized dealer or a floor model of an authorized dealer. So these chairs are returns to me from my customers. That's why I can roll over the total warranty to you, and you can have full coverage, parts and labor. And in this case, 5 years parts and labor on the chairs. If you go online or anywhere else, or someone tells you they've got a chair they'll sell to you and they'll transfer the warranty for you, warranties cannot be transferred. There was a time a few years back when some of the companies would transfer warranties of a used chair, but nobody does it anymore. It's just not done anymore. And I get that because the massage chair companies want to protect themselves in case the chair gets thrashed in delivery or whatever the case may be. But you do not get warranties. So that's something you really got to weigh out. Like the Japanese chairs are better chairs. Panasonic, Inada, they're better chairs. So they're going to last longer. They're going to have less breakdowns. But they still can have a breakdown. They're not 0% failure rates. These are, maybe up to 1% failure rates. And depending on the chair you have, maybe one chair starts to have breakdowns in a few years and you've got no coverage, or in 1 year or 2 years, and you've got no coverage at all. You have to pay for those parts. And sometimes the parts can be quite expensive, especially on a Japanese chair, or Panasonic chair, or Inada chair that are more expensive to make. The parts can be quite expensive. And then if you hire labor to install the parts or whatever, you could be looking at, hundreds, if not close to thousands, maybe more dollars, depending on the part that's required. So anyways, buyer beware if you're looking for used chairs, especially the Chinese chairs, which have a higher failure rate. And you're being told that you get a warranty transfer, don't believe it. And if you have any questions, call me or call the company that originally sold the chair and ask them if their warranty covers transfer of warranty. And I don't believe that. Well, I don't know of one company that does transfer warranty outside of me as a dealer having a return chair or a floor model that I'm selling with the warranty attached to that. Okay. Oh, and now the Luraco. Luraco, their flagship model has been the Luraco 6S. That chair has now been discontinued. We need to update this on our website. We just found out yesterday it's been discontinued, and it's upgraded. I talked about this last time to the i6SL, and this is a chair that is like the 6S, except 6S, which we've been familiar with, except they've utilized some noise reduction technology to reduce the noise of the airbags. They also have an enhanced neck and shoulder massager, which is a nice idea. A lot of chairs, believe this or not, a lot of chairs are deficient in good neck massage. Most of them are, well, all of them are great in the mid-back because the mid-back curves backwards towards the rollers, so those rollers can really dig in. And most of them have good low back massage. but quite a few do not have exemplary neck massages. So the fact that Luraco is improving their neck massage, I think, is great. Also, the L, I assume, stands for leather of the i6SL. They are having they're having leather on all the touch points of the body. So the neck, the hands, the arms, and the legs. It's going to be leather material now rather than linen or synthetic leather. The rest of the chair will be still synthetic leather, but they're having leather touch points, and that's kind of cool. I mean, leather has a nice feel. It has a unique feel, different from like vinyl or linen. Of course, is very soft, but linen can over time shred and fray and get what do you call it when you get like a ring stuck in it or something gets stuck in it, kind of pulls it. But leather has a nice feel. It's a softer feel. It's a very rich feel, and to have that on these touch points, I think is a very nice idea. So that's the Luraco i6SL, and of course they also have the Bluetooth options, and they have 3 different colors. I think it's the black, the brown, or the caramel, and the I think burgundy or something like that. But they've got some very nice colors. It's a nice looking chair. It's a big chair. It takes up quite a bit of space. Very nice chair. When people walk into our showroom, their eyes are often drawn to that chair because of its look. It's a very stylish, contemporary look, kind of patterned after the Inada Dreamwave design, as most chairs are today. But it's a nice chair, and it's a nice functioning chair. And again, the thing that makes Luraco chairs unique is that their chair bodies and the motors and a lot of the hardware components are out of China. It comes from China, but the other half of the chair, like all the electronic components, all the quality control and the testing goes on here in the United States in Dallas, and it's actually I think in Arlington, Texas, where their it's a big where their big headquarters and testing area and manufacturing area is. And if you watch my video on the YouTube channel, I visited them about a year ago, and I videotaped some of the manufacturing processes of building the electronic boards, the motherboards and whatnot. It's amazing, cool stuff. But they've got great quality control, and they test every chair before it leaves their warehouse. And they also have great customer support. I mean, oftentimes if there's a problem with the support and the person you call at their tech support doesn't know the answer, you will get an engineer on the phone. Like one of the engineers actually design the motherboards will get on the phone and talk to you and help you with the problem. They have been magnificent with their customer support. Love Luraco and their customer support. You know what? I think that is just about it for now. I might just mention one more thing. A lot of people ask me about cleaning chairs, and there's not. Okay, first of all, there's very little maintenance on a massage chair. Sometimes a massage chair needs some greasing from time to time, but we rarely see that. But one thing that a chair does require is cleaning, and so the synthetic leather or the synthetic leather is very easy to clean. Just use a mild soapy detergent, water detergent, or mild soapy detergent. Or I'm getting my words mixed up. Water with a mild soapy detergent in the water, and you can just use that in a cloth to wipe down the chair. That will also work on the linen. So if you've got linen touch points like we were just talking about on the neck or on the hands, the arms, or the feet, you can use this, a clean rag with mild soapy water and warm water and clean it down. Leather, you can even use a leather if you have a leather chair. And there's not many chairs that have leather. There's the HT 9500, the IT 9800, and of course the Inada Dreamwave black leather option. And you can just use a leather treatment cream or spray or something like that if you want to treat that leather. But other than that, it's pretty easy to clean these babies. You might want to get a vacuum cleaner out and vacuum clean the calf wells and the foot wells, and because stuff off the feet get in there, and then if you can extend the ottoman and get in there with a vacuum cleaner, you can clean that up. But it's very easy to clean your massage chair. We wipe ours down once a week just to make sure that they're clean and all the dust is off of them, and clean the linen. Clean the linen the same way you do the naga hide or the leather. Very easy to clean. Well, I think that is just about it for this week. I hope this video, if you found it helpful in some way, if you have any questions at all, I just want you to know that we're always available to you. You can call, you can go online and chat with me or us. You can go on email. We can chit chat on the YouTube channel, or on our blog, or on Facebook. There's many ways that you can contact us, and particularly you can contact me. I'm always available to chit chat with and talk about. If you're having a question about a chair, or you're not sure which one to buy or whatever, I'm always available, and we want to make sure that you are aware of that, so that you never have to feel like. And by the way, I might add that this applies after the sale as well as before. I'm always available to talk to. So if you ever have a question about your chair, or about buying a chair, or you're worried about something about your new chair, you can always call me. I'm always here, and I'll always return your call. Maybe not that moment, but I will definitely get back to you within a very short period of time of you calling if I can't get to you right away. But we're very grateful for you and for spending time to watch this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to like us on Facebook and share us on Facebook. Like us on the YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up. Of course, spread the word through your whatever various social media, Google Pluses and LinkedIn and Twitter. We just appreciate you helping us spread the word about massage chairs, because we feel this is really something very important. It's a home therapy that people love and never grow tired of, and it can help in so many musculoskeletal issues that you might be going to chiropractors like I was, or therapists, or massage therapists. This is a way for you to take care of yourself in your own home without having to leave and endure the hassles of traveling and traffic and shelling out additional money. Once you have your chair, it's like your own in-house massage therapist. It's magnificent. Anyways, again, I'm Dr. Alan Widener from MassageChairLeaf.com, and we will see you again in 2 weeks on our next massage chair industry update. Bye-bye.